All right, what's going on, guys? Danny here, and back with another trade recap. Today, I'm recapping the trade I took on Friday, New York AM session on NASDAQ. I took shorts on NASDAQ. Today is December 15th, a little late to the recap, but better late than never. I like posting these recaps and doing these videos myself just so I can burn this framework into my head so that it's always clear to me when to take these trades and when not to take these trades. So last Friday was an instance where the framework was there, everything aligned, and shorts were amazing. So these are the shorts that I like to take. Super easy to see and easy to trade. Price hits TP very quickly, and that's exactly how you want the trades to end up, right? So let's dive into it. So Thursday after FOMC, we had this huge move up. Didn't really take out this high, but on Friday we gapped down, which was interesting, right? So Thursday shot up higher, and then Friday gap opened right around here. So we had this huge gap, 150-ish points. Price consolidated, but in Asia, price took out that Asia high up here and then had to move lower. So I initially got chopped out for longs in Asia. So took a 1R loss in Asia, which is okay because I was expecting a Friday continuation back into these highs at least, or into this gap. But price moved lower, and so I was expecting lower going into New York AM session. And we also have these equal lows down here, which acts as a very nice draw going into New York AM session. So let me put the replay on. So this is 8:45. So let's continue to move forward in time. This is 9:15 and this is 9:30. So we have that 15-minute change in state of delivery here. We also have a 5-minute change in state of delivery. So price moves lower before market open, has a change in state of delivery on the 5-minute as well as the 15-minute. And on the 3-minute is where I took the trade. So as well, we have a 3-minute change in state of delivery. And now I'm waiting for an intercandle change in state of delivery. So it's the second one that confirms the first one, right? And that's usually my bread and butter of what I like to trade. Let's see what happens. So right over here, we didn't get the change in state of delivery, but price basically closes at this line, right? At this order block, right? It confirms it once this candle closes right here, right at 9:45. I entered right over here, right as something like that. So my entry was a bit aggressive. Obviously, the stop is a 52-point stop. I'm trading micros. I took this on the evaluations. So yeah, so please bear with me. So I'm gonna make this a little bit bolder, and I was obviously targeting those equal lows down here, right here for I think I was close to a 2.85 or something like that. So I entered right there, market entry, and as you can see, we get the confirmation of that intercandle change in state of delivery on the 3-minute. Let's see how price reacts. This is, nope, waiting for, so it gets a retest of this, basically this order block here. And then 10 a.m. opens over here. And basically we get another intercandle change in the state of delivery. So you could have multiple entries. You could wait for 10. I knew that it was going for these equal lows down here. Let's see what happens. Price displaces lower and then ultimately gets to those equal lows right over here. So that was full TP for me, and that was around a 2.85 R trade for me at this initial intercandle change state of delivery. Quite aggressive on my entry, as this candle barely did not close below these two up close candles. You could have waited for that to happen with this and then had limit orders at this retest of those order blocks. Or you could have waited for 10 a.m. to kind of confirm that move lower. So very small wick on the 3 minute, very small wick on the 4 hour candles. So price had just, small wicks equals large expansions. This was a really small one, obviously, but once we confirm that wick with that intercandle change state of delivery here, you could have market enter, targeted perhaps more aggressive entry for 2R. But I was playing the 3 minute before the 10 a.m. open, as I knew price wanted to move lower. Had stops at this candle body high just because the stop loss was so large. So that is a valid short entry to these equal lows as the draw. And yeah, that was the trade pretty much. I'm going to show proof of the trade. Took videos of it. I took this on the MNQ. I'm on the mini chart. Obviously, I can't show executions now, I think. But that is the trade. So up on the evals currently on Lucid and TPT. I'm like hovering around 900. Need 3K in profit in the next 10 days before the TPT renews. So that is my goal for the next couple of weeks. Yeah, hope that made sense. Valid frameworks for shorts. Obviously, we had a SMT as well over here with the S. That is it. Hope you guys learned something from that. Take care.